another lesson on how to use your Halcyon, because it's all about blowing away anxiety and stress in the moment. But I'm going to share an exercise with you that you can do while you're watching television, or you're lying in bed and reading a book, and you're preparing to go to bed. It's very, very good for working on the diaphragm, which is very good at supporting heart health. It's very good for working on your lung capacity and for switching off your stress response. And all you're going to be doing is breathing circular breaths over and over of the inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth, like this. So it simply becomes something that you're breathing out into. Again, relaxing the shoulders. When you inhale, you're breathing from that place between the belly button and the ribs. And you're extending that exhale. And when you do this for 3 to 5 to 10 minutes, you're preparing yourself physically and mentally for a good night's rest.